When you throw things like eggshells and banana peels into the garbage and they go into the landfill, they're mixed in with plastics, they'll get buried under things, they're not going to have airflow, and so they're going to break down into methane gas. They're going to break down much more slowly, so they'll take up space for a really long time. They'll release methane gas. They will also leach nutrients into this thing called leachate. In landfills, leachate is a pretty noxious stew that'll sometimes seep out of the landfill and get into our waterways, and then it gets into our aquifers and it pollutes our aquifers. And so it both adds methane to the air, leachate to the ground, and you get no good out of it. If you're able to keep it out of the landfill and put it into your compost, then it actually breaks down in a very different pathway. It releases carbon dioxide, which is not as bad of a gas as methane, and you can then use that for your fertilizing your garden.